Morishima. So I'd like to introduce what is the MISUMI. MISUMI is a Japanese company and we provide some variety of the products. We established 1963 in Japan. In India, we established 2009. Currently, we have a wholesale branch and 3 warehouses. Our product is a big variety, 2 kinds of business. One product lineup is a factory automation, and the second product is a press and components. Today we are focusing on factory automation components. So as you can see, this is our product lineup. This is some of the components like this. Some customer install some of the making the production machine. We provide each component. But currently, our customers' situation is totally different. They are very quickly short production.
I'm Rohit Jain. So MISUMI uniqueness is its product. So we have one-stop shop solution for all our customers. All the needs of the customers can be fulfilled by one single platform that is called MISUMI. All the products related to your mechanical design or electrical design you can find on one website, which is MISUMI. So why MISUMI is unique? Because we are not only selling components, we are providing solutions also. We are helping you by studying your design, selecting the product based on your needs, and finally, we are always striving to reduce your time and cost and make and help you to reduce your overall cost for your machine.